The Jet d'Eau is a large fountain in Geneva, Switzerland, and is one of the city's most famous landmarks, being featured on the city's official tourism website and on the official logo for Geneva's hosting of group stage matches UEFA Euro year 2008. Broken Chair is a monumental sculpture in wood designed by Swiss artist Daniel Burset and constructed by carpenter Louis Geneve. It is constructed of 5.5 tons of wood and is 12 meters high. It depicts a giant chair with a broken leg and stands across the street from the Palace of Nations in Geneva.